Oh my goodness.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Were you resting on that mattress?
You know what your name is?
What's your name?
How old are you? What year is it?
We got a kind of answer. Good morning. I sound a little bit different because I'm fighting off a cold, but we're on our way to church, and then we have birthday celebrations again today, and then it's our final really big move before we start living at the other place. So a busy full day, but it should be fun. We just got out of church and we are on our way to birthday lunch celebrations. Where are we going to eat?
Kindergarten!
It's not, they call it kindergarten. No, they call it kindergarten, but it's Olive Garden. I don't know why they call it kindergarten. They're like, it's a garden, and it's fun.
There you go.
Is that a good lemon?
Hey, Valor!
Valor. You get that, and you get that, and you put it in a...
Valor, do you want to play the game I'm playing? What do you play?
Why are you sitting on our table? Hey,
I don't know.
why are you sitting on our table? Okay. It's a bottle. She's trying to dip.
When do you go back to your seat? Okay. When do you go back to your seat? When do you go back to your seat? Go back to your seat.
She looks
Sit down. Is that breadstick good? If you sit down, you can have more. Sit. Yummy breadstick. No, no, no. You're sitting down here by Daddy. Was your food good? What are you doing? I'm videoing. You're just like rocking and smiling like Papa does when I try to tell him I'm on videoing and he just keeps smiling.
Mine was really good. I got full really quickly though. But I still want desserts.
I ordered it. It's on its way. Oh, good. Cleaning your face. Selfie. What are you doing?
Just smile, it's not that hard. There you go, perfect.
Smile at mommy now. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, I got yours.
Yes, sir.
Peekaboo.
Purple bag.
Peekaboo. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Lemon cream cake.
You enjoy that, man?
That was very...
Laura, you having fun? No.
Which one do you want?
Oh, we have to sing happy birthday to you. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Valor. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Alright.
Open your opening. It's stuck. Help me open it.
What is it?
Man. Well, first look at that. First look at that. Show 'em
What is it? Let me see.
Turn it around. Whoa. What is it?
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh.
Pappy and Cece, thank you.
Something else in there. See what it is.
Oh, thanks.
What else is in there?
What is that, Valor?
I don't know.
But it's cool.
I don't know, but
It's
cool.
for the bathtub. It's soap that makes foam.
It's pepper spray for your sister.
We'll play with it in the bathtub, okay? Say thank you.
Your sister
This is like $7, so I use it sparingly.
Wow. What is that? They're moving out the giant king-size memory foam mattress.
Put your elbows here and walk on.
You're doing great, guys. Clearly this move is going great. It's going awesome.
Man, Sam, it's easier. Maybe we should.
Here they go. Moving it to the van. Did I just see a snowflake? You playing with your new Batman Legos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And help me build.
Yep, in a
Look at my
second. Hang
arms,
on.
look.
There's Daddy moving stuff. He's super strong.
Yeah, Valor.
Oh, goodness.
Jeez, are you okay?
Are you okay? Were you resting on that mattress?
You know what your name is?
What's your name?
How old are you? What year is it?
We got a kind of answer.
Okay.
Aurora, there you are. We were looking for you.
I was in the bathroom.
You were in the bathroom. Come here. Watch out. I don't want you to get hurt. I've had the heat on all day because it's cold outside, but I'm going to turn it off now because I have the doors open. Work with me here. There we go. I thought we were going to be moving tonight, and we moved all of our big stuff, like all of our big furniture, and then there's some stuff like the internet hasn't been switched over to the new place. It's still at our old place. Some of the electrical is not done at the new place, so we are not moving tonight, but all of our furniture's over there, so we're gonna be sleeping on the floor tonight. It's just a little bit frustrating here, almost. A little bit frustrating.
It toots and pops.
What color is it? Take it out, pull it out.
Green and blue.
Cool.
Oozy blue.
Wow. That's fun slime. You're welcome. This is Target dollar slime.
I'm trying to move the couch by myself. I'm not doing anything.
Can I have it now? Wait, is it meant to go in the toilet? Oh. Look how. Oops.
Wait, do it slow, guys. Okay, look. Wait, don't move. Let's see. Okay, you know what? Y'all might have to each have some pink and blue slime because once they intertangle, they're just kind of forever stuck together. So you have a little bit of blue in yours.
Work on the stage, okay?
Go practice your speech for your contest.
Okay, 1 second.
Or leave it fit side because you will pop it.
Look through it.
Look at that. That is so wild.
What did you do with the
Crazy.
I didn't know you could do all that.
There you go. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Shake, 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 shake.
I was gonna play catch with you, and I was about to let you walk better, but not anymore. Happy cats! Gonna break it.
That's a long one.
Wait!
Are you painting the floor?
No!
Paint yes.
She's curious about if it actually colors the floor. Like, wow,
We look like college kids right now. This is our current sleeping arrangement tonight. We have a giant blanket and some houseplants and a diffuser. And we're not using the lamp because that's a fire hazard. And the computer so we can actually watch stuff. My ice cream. This is dinner because we're moving, and so this is what we're eating for dinner because we're adults. Moving is no joke. It's not that fun. So if you're wondering how we're coping with the move right now, I went to Kroger to buy Sam's lunch for tomorrow, and I came out with 2 giant houseplants and $15 worth of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. So that basically sums up where we're at right now. But it's gonna be okay. So we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna go eat this ice cream that I just bought and watch a documentary and try again tomorrow. So tomorrow's a new day. I'm judging a speech contest. Hopefully we get more progress done on the move than we did today. So thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We are so excited that you're coming along this journey with us, even though it's a little bit crazy sometimes and a little bit frustrating sometimes. It is still a lot of fun, and we're glad you're with us, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye.